I dropped the jewel.
What? You dropped the jewel?
I leaned over, thought I had to puke, and I didn't. And it came out my backpack.
We need the freaking jewel!
Alex, turn around. We gotta go back and get it.
Yeah, let's...
There, I see it!
What are they doing?
It's like they're protecting it or something.
What do you need? You need your boomerang? Maybe some scissors? I'm your valet. Whatever you need, I can get it for you, okay? You just say the word. What?
I'm sorry, buddy.
Sorry for what? Huh?
Turn us around!
Oh my God!
When I tell you, roll 90 degrees to the right! Now!
You pushed me out the helicopter, jackass!